Is it the right time to buy or sell Vision Ltd stock? Today, we're taking a deep dive into Vision Ltd. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, January 31, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from January 12, 2024, our system has identified Vision Ltd as a potential investment opportunity, giving it a score of 3.90. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have experienced an incredible gain of 971.94% since we first recommended Vision Ltd as a buy candidate just 13 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 74.76% since it was listed as a buy candidate. In the short term, the stock is currently in an upward trend, which provides a potential opportunity for selling as the price may react and move towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $15.09, it could indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 73.86% change in the stock price over the next 3 months. The possible return could range between -74.21% and 76.02%. In the 12-month trend, there is a projected 8.56% change in the stock price over the next year. The potential return could range between -96.52% and 9.18%. This suggests a price range of $0.518 to $16.27 after a year. In today's update for Vision Ltd, we have some interesting news. The stock price experienced significant fluctuations, moving 56.05% between its high and low points. On Wednesday, the stock price of Vision Ltd dropped by -0.534%, going from $14.98 to $14.90. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $10.58 and a high of $16.51. It's worth noting that the stock price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and has seen a remarkable rise of 688.36% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which can be seen as a positive sign since volume should follow the stock. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by -20 million shares on the last day, with a total of 3 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $47.88 million. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we observe that its highest price was $23.37, while its lowest price was $0.200. Currently, the stock is trading 36.24% below its 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of $8.47. It's important to note that the current price of $14.90 is also the all-time high for this stock. Analysts have given Vision Ltd stock a general rating of sell. They rate the PE ratio as buy and the price to book as buy. As for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of strong sell. Vision Ltd has shown several signals that are worth paying attention to. The stock of Vision Ltd is currently receiving buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals suggests a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, the stock may find support at the levels of $10.53 and $3.20. However, if the stock falls below these levels, it may trigger sell signals. Another buy signal comes from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, it's important to note that there have also been some negative signals that could impact the stock's near-term development. For instance, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, January 30, 2024, resulting in a decrease of -0.534% so far. It is anticipated that the stock may continue to decline until a new bottom pivot is identified. Furthermore, the volume of trade decreased along with the price during the last trading day. This reduction in volume lowers the overall risk as volume is expected to align with price movements. Today, we're going to explore some interesting signals in the stock market. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently showing a buy signal. Another signal worth noting is the pivots, which indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands are showing a buy signal that was triggered 74 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a sell signal 10 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average is indicating a buy signal that occurred 16 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 13 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart for further insights. The short moving average gave a sell signal 10 days ago. However, the long-term moving average is showing a buy signal that occurred 53 days ago. Similarly, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 51 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Vision Ltd. Vision Ltd has found support from accumulated volume at $14.69. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when the support is tested. However, it's important to note that this stock has high volatility, meaning it can experience significant price movements throughout the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band indicates a wide prediction interval, classifying this stock as very high risk. Looking at the previous day, the stock had a price range of $5.93, which accounts for a 56.05% difference between the highest and lowest points. And over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 70.33%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Vision Ltd, let's begin by discussing some important fundamental data. Firstly, let's consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This significant ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. It's not uncommon for established companies to face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently maintains a negative P/E ratio, it may suggest insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Vision Ltd. If we see an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $14.98 for Vision Ltd. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before considering entering a position. However, for those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Vision Ltd encounters its first support level at $14.69. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, allowing you to anticipate a rebound. In this video, we'll be discussing an important stock recommendation. Let's start by looking at the stop loss, which we have set at $14.39, representing a decrease of 3.42%. Now, let's dive into the details of this stock and understand the risks involved. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which makes it a high-risk investment. Furthermore, the RSI 14 indicator is currently at 89, which significantly increases the risk associated with this stock. We also have a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified just 1 day ago. Is Vision Ltd stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, Vision Ltd stock shows positive short-term signals and a generally good trend. This suggests that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level. In fact, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. When we examined the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems found that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to Thursday, February 1st, we anticipate Vision Ltd to open with a decrease of 90 cents, starting at $14. Before we begin, it's essential to understand that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. Also, what is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated. We're here at Stock Invest, wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day.